everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to get into the Norlii box. They have gone to a seasonal box now and they are huge, and I have seen one of the spoilers for this and it looks totally full of goodies, so let's get into it and check it out. Norlii is Scandinavian design. It comes out of Denmark. They always have the most wonderful things in it. That's how you spell it, in case you're wondering what I'm saying. And they recently went to a quarterly box instead of a bi-monthly box. So it's even more goodies packed up in here. If by chance we have other people talking today, I have one of my grands here with me. So we might get opinions from the younger set. Say hey, baby.
Hey.
This is the second born, but I've had many times reviews in the comments saying, joking about, hey, quit calling her number 2 because I don't use their names on here for privacy. And since she was the second born, I used to call them, you know, number 1, number 2. Anyway, we need a new nickname. What shall we call you? I call them all baby. In all fairness, in real life, I call them all baby. Okay, this box is sent to me for review. I'm going to show you real quickly. Ooh, that probably is what is in it. I don't have my glasses on yet, so I don't know. And then the box is totally full. It's heavy this month or this season. It's glass up. I will put all of the information for Norlii down below along with my discount code. It will get you $15 off your first box. This is the Norlii Premium Box, and it says warm moments, sweet flavors, the Scandi way. Relive the simple joy of childhood, warm cookies fresh from the oven, a tall glass of milk, and the gentle glow of candlelight. In Scandinavia, this timeless ritual becomes a moment of fika, a gathering that's both an elevated seance of the senses and a pause for calm. So it is home decor based out of Denmark that is very, I like that the lines are clean, generally speaking, with this, but also warm. I don't know how they pull both off, but they do. Ooh, it's packed full of goodies. A little cheat. Well, first out, it looks like, oh my gosh, it got big as I took it out. We have a really soft blanket. Oh, this totally looks like me. I have a gray chair up in my taping room that has a gray pillow, actually, that I got from them. That is a velvet pillow. It is so pretty and feels like it's stuffed with down. This is gonna go so well with that. So this says it is from Sodol, and it was made in Europe. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna open it up. I have one. She's already under a blanket. I was gonna say, I have a grandbaby here that will be under this blanket in a heartbeat, but she's already fished one out from somewhere else. Just bear in mind, it's like 85 degrees outside and not too cool in my house, which is why I always get too hot, but they're always cool. Aren't you cool, baby? Mm-hmm. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice summer weight. Oh my gosh. I like this a lot. You could use this if you wanted to. It would so easily be like a table cover. So that is what it looks like. It's kind of light gray and cream, and it has a kind of a whip-stitched edge. It's almost puckered like a seersucker. It's much softer than that, but it feels so soft. It's big, so soft and nice. Actually, this might be a great one for me because it's so light. I like that a lot. It feels like something I would definitely use for me. Let's see, it is from Sodol. It is 100% cotton, so it will breathe. I love that. It is made in Portugal. It is Ecotex Standard 100. I'm not sure what that means. Tested for harmful substances. And then there's a little QR code, so you could probably read more about that if you wanted to. This is gorgeous. Let's see if the book tells us what size it is. If I was guessing, I would guess that it was probably one of those 50 by 70. Isn't that what your average throw is? It says Sodol waffle weave throw. This blanket envelops you in softness without sacrificing elegance. I completely agree. Its 3-dimensional waffle weave and muted color palette form a serene backdrop for your midnight cookie seance. Oh, I don't understand this cookie seance we keep talking about. Handle with care. Its delicate construction rewards thoughtful use and adds a touch of luxury to every moment. It is 59 by 67. So very close with my guessing on the size, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Feel this, baby. What do you think?
It's so soft.
Right?
I love it.
Okay, that sounded fake. That It sounded totally fake. It is really soft though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I like it.
I like it's not heavy enough for you, right?
No, it's not. I like it.
Right? She likes
blanket.
a really, yes, but
It's
that
not
is
for
perfect.
warming purposes. It's for cozy purposes.
Right, or design.
Sure.
2 thumbs. You don't care about the design part? Well, I do. 2 thumbs up.
It's good for layering, you know, for 2 blankets.
2 blankets. I'm here like, whoo, I'm not sure if today was a good taping day. I am so hot. She's over there under 2 blankets. Okay, next out, we have some gorgeous, oh my gosh, these are beautiful. And I know right where they're going. These are beautiful napkins. And I have a friend who has a paper napkin situation. You know, people love different things. I have a lot of bowls. I love to collect bowls. I love to collect glasses. She loves to collect paper napkins, and she uses them. So she has the right paper napkin for whatever the event is. These will be perfect for her. Bloomingville floral paper napkins, a pack of 20 paper napkins in a delicate floral composition made of FSC certified paper. Nostalgic and fine and keeps your fingers clean while enjoying your cookies. The reference back to these cookies, I'm really starting to miss the cookies. I'm gonna do a video about this soon. We've been eating very clean around here. So the fact that this keeps talking about cookies is starting to make me a little sad, but these are very pretty. Next out, we have a box. I do not know what is in the box. We have what I'm going to assume is a candle holder. It looks kind of like, isn't that pretty? It's kind of a gunmetal color leaning toward black. I thought it would, you know, be like that, but it actually sits on its side. And I did see earlier, let me find it. I did see in the box a votive candle. So I imagine that is for in this. I'm gonna make assumptions here. We have paperwork we'll read about in a second. So in theory, it's got the little votive in it. That is super pretty. I love the feel of this gunmetal. That actually will go very nicely in my house. It actually would look kind of pretty back there on that. Let's see what this says. Bloomingville Shimmer Votive. Create a cozy, warm ambiance with this striking votive. Its metallic interior reflects the tea light flames in a gentle glow. Its pure coziness in a soft, pleasant glow. Well, that's nice. We lost power the other night for the first time in a very long time. And this would have been perfect for that in a smaller room. I love the look of that. So pretty. Okay, next out we have something very well protected by bubble wrap. Just cut our way in. I've managed to not see any more of the spoilers. I had seen the blanket in a picture, but the picture did not do it justice. It is so much more comforting and beautiful in real life. I've got the box open and I'm gonna guess I either have CDs or plates. So since it's a nice design box, we're gonna decide plates. When you take them out, oh, those are, oh, I hope I can do these justice. They are, see how pretty that is, baby?
Yeah. That sounds so fake.
It did sound fake, but I know you meant it. It's almost like if you've ever collected antiques, which I know that's going to be a very niche amount of you, it looks like old milk glass. It's kind of translucent, but it has the milky tone to it. And then it also has white going around it. That dark spot is actually the sticker. This spot here is the sticker on the back. I suspect once we take it off, it will all look like this. Those are gorgeous. There are 4 of them, and this says that they are cosmic glass plates, 4 pieces from Norman, Copenhagen. These 4 frosted glass plates feature a softly swirled motif that evokes an endless galaxy, perfect for presenting cookies.
Oh my gosh.
And celestial treats. The playful pattern captures light and draws the eye, making every bite feel out of this world. These would be fantastic dessert plates. These are gorgeous. I will absolutely use them. It says, does not withstand sharp knives, but it is dishwasher safe. So I guess.
They went with the theme cookies for this box?
Definitely a cookie theme for this box. These are gorgeous. I just wanted to take another one out to be sure they are, and they are all, yes, the same. Actually, you can see slightly different variations in their swirling. I love that. Those are so pretty. And last out, we have one more box. I have gotten it out of the bubble wrap. This is also from Norman, Copenhagen, so some kind of glass, I suspect. It's either glasses or bowls. Definitely feeling glasses now. Never ceases to amaze me that I get this stuff and it's in perfect shape. Oh my gosh. Those are so pretty. Oh, I hope it's doing it justice. They're really fine. It's a real thin glass, and it's got the callback to those plates. Worse. Better without me. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that pretty, baby?
You know what it's for? Your milk to dip your cookies in.
You're probably right. Let's see if that's what they say. Stripe drinking tumblers. There are 4 pieces. Also by Norman Copenhagen. This set of 4 100% mouth-blown tumblers is hand-painted with elegant white stripes. Ideal for milk or water or lemonade. These glasses bring practicality with a touch of artisanal flair. These are gorgeous. So we have 4 of these also. Again, I'm always so pleased how well they pack everything and it ships, but let me take another one out because we will absolutely be using these. These are just gorgeous. And again, I love, can you see the striping on it, that it's different? I love that. That is so pretty. So we have 4. Ooh. See how they're like thin? They're almost like crystal.
Delicate?
Very delicate. Thank you. That is absolutely the word I needed. They're very delicate. How pretty would these be? Hold on, let me get a plate. I mean, how gorgeous is that set?
Screaming milk and cookies.
Screaming milk and cookies. And you can have your little candle lit while you're having your milk and cookies. Your napkins that you can tidy up while you're having your milk and cookies, and the gorgeous blanket that she is happily tucked under and I have no desire to have over me at this very moment, but it is absolutely, it's beautiful.
I like the texture.
It's very nice texture. That is the Norlii box for this season. It is absolutely gorgeous. All of the information that I needed was on the back, so I didn't have to open it. So I just opened, and on the inside it says, the milk and cookies theme marries nostalgia and thoughtful design, transforming everyday treats into serene design-forward experience. And then it actually has a recipe for Swedish dromar. I'm probably saying that incredibly wrong. And it says it literally means dreams. They are a classic Swedish fika treat, prized for their delicate texture and whisper light crumb. This was a super fantastic season with the plates and the cups and the napkin and the candle holder. So pretty. Love it. Hold on. I'll get the blanket back from the poor, sad, warm baby who's very happily tucked under. And this gorgeous, very soft blanket. I want to thank Norlii for sending this over. Thank you guys so much for coming by. Let her tuck back under that. And checking this out with me. Again, I will put the link to Norlii down below along with my code. Thank you again for coming by. I hope you have a fantastic evening and I will see you soon. Take care, guys.